The PETULTRA automatic cat feeder is designed to ensure your pet is fed at precise times with its programmable timer, allowing up to 6 meals daily with customizable portion sizes. Its anti-clogging design features a double rotor and a wide-angle food passage, making it efficient for dispensing dry kibble of various sizes without any blockage. With dual power options, this feeder can use either a power adapter or 3D-size batteries, ensuring your pets are fed even during unexpected power outages. This feeder is equipped with a desiccant bag and a secure lock lid, which keep the food fresh and prevent pets from accessing the stored food, maintaining a high level of safety. Its generous 4-liter capacity can hold up to 16 cups of food, making it ideal for households with multiple pets or for pet owners who travel frequently. The feeder's fully detachable design makes it easy to clean, ensuring that your pet's meals are always fresh and hygienic, which contributes to the overall health of your furry friend.